Guys, I wanted to show you this finger brush that the company sent me. I really like this company. It's HICC Pet. I think all their products are made really well and durable. This is silicone, food grade silicone, BPA free, phthalate and sulfate free. So I feel comfortable using it on my pet. So these finger type of brushes I think are really good for a dog or a cat that isn't comfortable with getting their teeth brushed yet, but still needs it. My dog isn't that old, but she definitely has like a lot of plaque buildup already. So I need to consistently brush her teeth, and I find that this has been like a nice way to do it. It does come in this like really nice carrying case as well that is ventilated so that it's going to stay nice and dry. And the product itself doesn't slip off my finger. There's like a bump inside, and that makes it so that it stays. So it's not like sliding all around, which just makes it easier for her. So the the finger one is for dogs, I think, that like need, just aren't as used to it. You can see she just lets me kind of like glide it around. It has like a flavor toothpaste on it right now that she's into. And you keep these sessions short for your animal because if they're not used to it, they don't always love it, but like I gotta get in there. It also does help with the gums, which is like a really big part of this. So I try to do this for her often and just get any plaque off of her teeth, which is really important. And my dog is such a good dog. She's so good to me that I want to take care of her. You can see right away it got plaque off. I don't know if you could see that actually, but you see there's like this brown spot. So it just goes in, gets it off quickly. That was it. And then I'll do another session with her later. Comes in these different colors, really easy. You rinse this off, you could store it in here, and then because it's ventilated, it doesn't build up mold or anything like that. And I like that it has this clip. You could put toothpaste in there and throw it in with her stuff, and that's it. So if you're looking for something to help clean your dog's teeth and don't necessarily want to do a toothbrush yet, this is a great option.